How people choose to make a living has changed dramatically during the past 2 decades. For many, learning how to make money online will be a top priority at present. This could be something you do on the side to make ends meet, or it could be something you start from scratch. For whatever reason, the options are numerous. Watch the rest of the video as we show you ways to make money online that you never would have thought of before and earn extra cash without putting in much effort. Number 8. Open a thrift shop. You can make some extra cash by selling old stuff you no longer need. There's no need to pay for a storefront, just use your garage. You can even broaden your customer base via the web. You can get more money by selling your clothes on Poshmark or eBay if they are high-quality designer pieces that are in high demand. You can order a clean-out kit from ThredUp if your items aren't in high demand or if you don't want to go through the hassle of selling them on your own. Put them in the bag, send them, and when they sell, you get paid. If you would like to know more about how to sell your clothes online, leave a comment below. Number 7. Create online courses. They constantly appear in your Facebook feed and other social media. The increasing number of online learning opportunities may make you feel left out, but it's not too late to join the club. The potential value of the online learning industry is pegged at $350 billion by 2025. Online courses are a great opportunity for those who have what it takes to succeed. If you lack the resources to develop your own course, you can always take on the role of an educator. If you choose wisely, you can share your knowledge and expertise with a large number of people who are open to gaining new information. Best-selling topics are personal development, photography, art, gardening, technology, languages, cooking, and marketing. Number 6. Buy and sell domain names. Domain names are a lucrative industry in today's tech-driven society. They've been known to change hands for millions of dollars. Building a high-quality portfolio of domain names is a time-consuming endeavor, so don't expect to see a return on your investment quickly. Depending on how hard you're willing to work, your earnings will vary. Predicting what will be popular a few months or years from now is a big part of buying and selling domain names. A second strategy involves buying popular domain names and holding on to them in the hopes of making a profit later. You can use a wide variety of resources, including just dropped, Namecheap, Flippa, and GoDaddy. However, Empire Flippers is the best market for buying and selling domain names. After making the investment in the domain name, you can put it back on the market and wait for a buyer to come along and make a profit. Number 5. Get paid to test websites and apps. Web and app testers provide feedback on the usability and visual appeal of a site. This paves the way for businesses to enhance their websites to meet the needs of their customers. If you are a tech-savvy type, then this one's for you. UserTesting.com is only one example of the many web testing sites in the market. Brands like GoDaddy, HelloFresh, HP, Subway, and Canva will let you try out their newest features and products. You can get to work with just a microphone, a computer, or a mobile device connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If you want to know more about web testing sites, let us know and comment down below. Number 4. Manage Facebook ads. The majority of business owners underestimate the effectiveness of Facebook ads. You can earn $1,000 to $2,000 monthly per client if you can effectively convey the value of ads in attracting new customers and increasing brand recognition for a particular business. Get in touch with local entrepreneurs first, and remember that clients can be found in your place of business or through business associations. Tell friends and family that you're looking for referrals. Obtain clients by engaging in personal activities such as social media. Number 3, make money off your location data. Companies will pay a premium to view your mobile device's location history. More than a dozen apps are probably monitoring your every move right now. Well, it's time to turn it into cash. Turning on location sharing in Tapestry can earn users up to $25 per month. Tapestry collects this information and then shares it with major brands in order to shed light on consumer preferences. Tapestry is awesome. It allows you to earn passive income monthly just by referring new users to the app. You'll receive $1 per month for every referral that keeps the app installed on their device. Awesome, right? So click on the link below to download Tapestry today. And just wait till you see our top make money online strategy. You won't believe it. Number 2, start a YouTube channel. Content creators on YouTube can earn substantial income, and they need not be experts in their field to do so. Ad revenue on YouTube typically ranges from $3 to $5 per 1,000 views, but making money on YouTube with Google AdSense requires regular, interesting content and a dedicated audience. You can make instructional or explainer videos on any topic. Or, if you prefer, you can put yourself in the spotlight for something more intimate. Experts in the field can be interviewed, or you can simply demonstrate how to play a variety of video, mobile, or board games. Finding a specific audience and catering to their needs is crucial. And our number one goes to sell your unused internet connection. Can you believe this really works? I was incredulous until I did it myself. All you have to do is download an app and you'll be set. To share the bandwidth, you must download an app and keep it running in the background on your computer or mobile device. Consumers who buy it will use it frequently. In order to power their content delivery services for their Fortune 500 companies, Honeygain will literally buy your bits of unused data and internet resources. Your earnings are affected by your location, the quantity of IP addresses available, and the bandwidth of your network. On average, Honeygain users can expect to passively earn $45 per month. There's a good chance that you have spare bandwidth if you have a cable, fiber, or DSL internet connection, or an unlimited data mobile plan. On top of all that, when new users sign up online, they're given a free $5 bonus. So why wait? Click the link below to join Honeygain today and earn more by watching this next video.